my name is Derek Bratton. I work at GK Machine, a greenhouse manager. And basically the job is selling, building, and taking care of customers. Oh, let's see. A lot, actually. It's just hard to define. At GK we get to build a lot of different things and a lot of freedom to design, explore, and make products. Specifically, we do greenhouses. So we make all different sizes, different widths, different greenhouses for different products. And every day you get to see something start and actually get finished and shipped. Let's see, I've been working for about 35 years, 2 jobs as an engineer. This is my 3rd job and probably the best place I've ever worked. It's still pretty unique as far as the industry in the US as far as manufacturing. We actually make things here. We try not to buy it, we design it, we build it, and that's pretty unique in our industry. Pleasing our customers, actually. It's a really diverse customer base, so you have to look at each customer individually and their product and design it accordingly to what they need and not actually what we have. So there's a lot of flexibility and ease to make products that take care of our customers. I'd say the most challenging part and unique is customer service. Every phone call, every visit is different, but it makes it more challenging and more rewarding when you actually succeed and keep the customer happy.